In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted contacts from your Google account that were deleted years ago. This process is incredibly helpful if you've accidentally deleted important contacts and now you're struggling to get them back. Let's dive into it and get your contacts restored. The first step is to head over to Google, simply open your favorite web browser and type in the Google homepage URL. This will take you directly to the Google search engine where you can access the multiple services Google offers. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. Use the email and password associated with the Google account from which you wish to recover the contacts. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to all the features of your Google account. Now that you're signed in, the next move is to visit the Google account home. You can easily do this by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Google account. This section is the heart of your account where you can manage your personal information, data, and privacy settings. Once on the Google account page, you need to navigate to the People and Sharing section. This is where Google organizes features related to your contacts and sharing preferences. Here you'll find all the options for managing your contacts. Click on Contacts to continue. This will direct you to another page specifically for managing your Google contacts. On this page, you'll see all the contacts currently associated with your account, including those that might have been saved, synced, or shared across your devices. For the final step, you need to access the Trash section. Within your contacts page, look for an icon or option labeled Trash. Clicking on this takes you to a list of contacts that were deleted but are still recoverable. In the trash, you'll find contacts that have been deleted within the last 30 days, but there's a chance that older contacts might still appear here if they haven't been permanently erased by Google's system. Browse through this list, and once you spot the contact you wish to restore, simply select it and choose the Restore option. This will relocate the contact back to your main contact list, making it available for use once again. And that's it, you have successfully recovered your deleted contacts. Remember, always back up your contacts regularly to avoid any future issues. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.